Hello, and today I'm going to show you basics about hydrogen gas generator. It is basically a container with water inside and two or more plates. In my basic generator there's 4, like this. So 4 plates, and this is the positive, negative, positive, negative, and that's your plates. So the water don't conduct electricity very well, so there's a big baking soda inside, so it conducts electricity a little bit better. And then you just need to wire the wires up, like positive, negative, and then you just put your electricity here. And yeah, I'm going to be using this kind of power. It's very nice. It's 6 amperes and 12 volts, so it's never very nice. And yeah, plug it in. So I'm going to show you my hydrogen and oxygen generator. It looks like this. It's basically a PVC pipe with the 4 plates inside and water, 1 baking soda. And then there is a nice tube, and I just put here some cigarette filter so it just doesn't flash back. So yeah, I'm going to show you. Now I'm back, and I can wire up the wires. So this is my power, and from hydrogen gas there's 2 wires over here. This is the positive, this is negative, and yeah, just wire it up, and this will immediately start producing some gas. So wire it up. So now I just need to clip the alligator clip. So yeah, now it starts working. There's really thick wires because it's 6 amps. So just put this away. Now we got only 2. And here is just soapy water, so to produce some bubbles. And when you put it in, there's a lot of bubbles forming. Yeah, and the glass is explosive. So let's gather out the bubbles. And if we try to ignite it explodes. And yeah, I'm going to show you why the flashback is needed. So yeah, oh shit, it popped. So yeah, let's make a 1 bubble and just look carefully in the tube. So just ignite it. See, it goes in here. So yeah, that's a lot. So yeah, that's the basic things of hydrogen gas generator. Yeah, you can blow up some bottles with it if you fill them up with gas. So yeah, very cool, very easy to make. I think in the future I'm going to make a video how to build this thing. So yeah, subscribe now. And of course like the video if you like this. And yeah, let's see again in the tube what happens. So you see it, if you take these bubbles, you got them back very well. Holy shit. So yeah, very cool generator. Let's turn it off here. So yeah, that's how it looks again. Here, very nice. Okay, subscribe to my channel. Yeah, I'm gonna make a lot of these projects in the future, so subscribe, like our videos, and if you didn't understand something, leave a comment below. Goodbye.